Oh my gosh! Who do we have here?
This Country Home 92.
Whoa!
And he even got a boyfriend.
Andy! Andy!
Don't ever stop like that. It's me and the dog. You want the dog next door?
Go down.
Okay. What? I'm getting my
What are you doing? Emily, are you in high heels?
Tell me, Rick, is it disconcerting to you to see your kid in drag?
Yeah, yeah. As long as I can't see his face. This is not documented. You're Bertha? Whoa!
Let's make a movie!
Yeah, I'm Big Bertha.
My first name is Miss.
Miss what?
Country Home 92. My name is Emily and Angelica Miss Transylvania 90. My name is Miss Country Home 92. Hello. Oh God, it's so on. It's more you, Miss. Angelica. Angelica Transylvania 92.
Angelica Transylvania? Good job. And who are you?
I'm Miss Death and don't you be messing with me.
Miss Death and don't be messing with it.
And who are you, Miss Bertha?
Hey, Bertha.
Bertha. What's your last name? What's your last name? Bertha Barbie.
You're the Barbie doll of the future, right?
Come here, give me my hat. No. Give me my hat. I'm naked without my hat.
Just think, kids, in about 10 years, these movies, you will kill for these movies.
Give me that hat. I'm not allowing you to show this movie when I get married.
Now you won't bet? This is how we'll keep you from having boyfriends.
That's right. I was going to say, this is how we keep them under control.
That's right. If you have a boyfriend that we don't like, we will just pull these movies out.
Home movies.
Mom, let me get this straight. No. If you ever show this to hey, get that thing with me.
Hey, we're not taking these for the fun of it. This is evidence, kids.
Hey, get the thing with me. I'm scared of that thing.
There you go. You needed some hair on top. Nice hat, Andy.
What?
Or Bertha.
What a neat specimen. You're a dog. Someone all the camera. You rude there.
She's got heels on too. Or those tap shoes.
Yeah, they're taps.
I didn't hurt myself. Now, girls, this is how you walk. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Andy.
Or swish, 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 swish.
She's living true to her and don't mess with me now.
Ooh, you're scaring me.
Oh.
Can I borrow this for Halloween? How dare you? No, Barbosa. Pride of our nation.
Tell Jacob with the coloring in the material, it looks like he's doing a bus line.
Yeah.
You do, I live in Transylvania. This is US. Yeah, it's not.
Where's Transylvania at?
In Transylvania. Don't they know
What
it?
country? In what country?
No. Transylvania.
No, it's not.
I live in Transylvania. I live in a different city though.
I believe it's in Romania.
Yeah. Or check it. Yeah. Mine's been flashing battery for the last 5 minutes.
You say that. You tell them we're Transylvania. Transylvania is about 5 miles.
Does that mean
away
that
from
whatever it is you've got isn't getting
No,
done?
it
or
does. It gets it.
It's just wearing it out.
It just, yeah. It just has, well, they were playing with it upstairs, looking at
Dad.
something, so they
Yo,
ran back.
son,
What?
Pink sharks.
Yes, ma'am.
Transylvania is about 5 miles from hell.
Miles from where?
From hell. Up the road or down the road?
Down.
Down the road.
Down
And
farther.
around the corner.
Yeah.
Actually, it's 5 miles away from hell.
Darren,
Worse than
who are you?
that.
What are you playing?
Nothing. He's playing Lonely Pigon. It's very.
Who are you, Annie?
Stop! Guys! Darren, it's not funny! Showing off. This is my spouse.
Lighten up, guys.
Whose clothes are these?
Yeah.
Spouse.
Where'd you guys get all these outfits?
They're Annie's.
Dress up closet.
Andy.
You want a real show? I could let Tucker out. Watch them all scatter.
Me too.
Oh no, Tucker's perfectly. He loves kids.
Oh, okay.
Facelift.
A facelift? Yeah. This is vacation, Andy. Emily, this is vacation time. You don't do those things on vacation.
Watch my famous Miss Country Home.
Okay, kids.
The women of Transylvania.
Oh, look at that. Look at Chester and Maxie.
I'm a man, and you can't marry me.
Look at Chester's got Maxie on the end of the pier. I am shaking. Brr.
The devil, I already said it. I just said it.
Will you marry me?
Will you marry me?
Taking no bark.
I want to wait now. I want to wait.